What if I told you that the number one place most guys look for their dream girlfriend is actually killing their chances? If you're a single, ambitious man, tired of swiping endlessly on dating apps, wasting money on nightlife, getting mediocre results, and still feeling invisible to the women you're attracted to, you're in the right spot. I'm Steven, and today, I'm gonna show you how you can get your dream girlfriend without relying on dating apps, wealth, or social media. Now, you might be wondering, what makes me qualified to talk about this topic and help you with this? Well, let me share my story. Years ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. After a tough heartbreak, I fell into a 2-year depression. I felt lost, unworthy, and terrified of putting myself out there again. I tried everything society told me would work. I focused on my career, landing a job in investment banking. I spent thousands of hours and dollars on nightlife and dating apps. I hit the gym religiously. I even tried skydiving to boost my confidence, but none of it filled a void or helped me connect with women. At first, the idea of walking up to a beautiful woman in broad daylight and connecting with her just terrified me. It seemed too good to be true, but I knew I had to try something different, so I threw myself into it. Over the next 15 years, I approached over 10,000 women in more than 30 countries. I actually counted, and I couldn't believe it was that much. I learned from dozens of experts about the core fundamentals of human attraction and connection, and from all these years of learning and teaching countless men to create their dream love lives, I've created what I call the authentic value system, a proven method to naturally attract and connect with women in any setting. This journey completely transformed me, not just in my ability to attract women, but in my entire sense of self. I went from being that depressed, anxious guy to someone who could confidently connect with any woman, anywhere. I've since created deep, fulfilling relationships on my own terms. And now, I'm on a mission to help men just like you do exactly the same. Over the years, my journey taught me something crucial. The conventional ways of meeting women, like dating apps, bars, and clubs, are fundamentally flawed. Let me explain why. The reality is, most high-quality women that you'd actually want to meet are not on these apps or at bars. While you're swiping away, your dream girl is out there in the real world. Cafes and stores, walking down the street. Every day, you're probably crossing paths with incredible women you love to meet. But instead of seizing these moments, you're staring at your phone, competing with thousands of other guys for a handful of matches. It's time to break free from this cycle. Imagine seeing a beautiful girl in your everyday life, and instead of just admiring from afar, having the balls to go say hi to her and connect with her. Picture yourself connecting with her beyond surface-level dating app talk, creating a deep connection that neither of you will forget. And doing all this while staying true to who you really are, without looks-maxing, having to flaunt your wealth, or growing a huge social media following. Sounds like a movie, right? Well, it kind of does, but it's actually a real possibility. And no, this isn't about manipulation or pickup artist tricks. It's about authentically expressing yourself, offering your value to a woman you see during the day, and sparking genuine attraction. So, how exactly does the authentic value system work? It comes down to 3 key steps. Step 1, master organic confidence. Learn to approach women with genuine confidence, free from fear or hesitation. When you first try to say hi to women during the day, you'll have all these limiting beliefs come up. What am I gonna say? How am I gonna say it? Am I gonna be creepy? What if she rejects me? Over 90% of communication is nonverbal. So you've gotta have the right vibe in your approach and say hello. As you go on this journey, you'll notice that things might get tough a little bit, but building this inner confidence will allow you to bounce back easily. Step 2, create magnetic attraction. Develop the ability to spark instant chemistry and stand out from other men. 99% of men do this wrong. They go up to women, fire off a bunch of questions like, what do you do? Where do you live? What are you doing later? Coming off as super intense, interviewee, needy, and just way too eager. They do this because they see a girl they like and they want to take something from her attention and affection. And of course, she's gonna smell that vibe. Instead, you've gotta offer value to her. You do that by offering your unique observations, authentic expressions, and sincere curiosity without expecting anything in return. This frees you from the idea of having to get her to like you, and because you don't need anything from her, yet confidently express yourself, she becomes curious about your world and emotionally connected and attracted to you. Step 3, build intimate connections. Learn to create deep, meaningful connections that go beyond surface level attraction. This is about playfully getting inside her world. How does she see the world? What inspires her? Why does she navigate the world the way she does? You've got to make her feel seen and heard so she has a reason to open herself up to you. And when you do that playfully instead of seriously, you create such a powerful vibe that she wants more of. And this is how she chases you because you've demonstrated how to lead in the direction of creating deep, meaningful connections. Now, You might be wondering, how do I overcome approach anxiety? What do I say after hello? How do I create that masculine and feminine vibe? How do I keep the conversation flowing naturally? How do I turn a great approach into a date? How do I build a deep, lasting emotional connection? If you're asking yourself these questions, you're not alone. And that's exactly why I created my comprehensive, one-of-a-kind coaching program. My coaching program tackles these challenges head-on with 3 powerful pillars. First, the Cold Approach Blueprint, which is a simple, structured approach to meeting women that you can apply immediately in your everyday life. Second, Rapid Mindset Shift, helping you rewire your limiting beliefs and unlock your authentic, attractive self. Third, Real-World Mastery, hands-on practice and personalized feedback to discover your blind spots and multiple layers of accountability to rapidly accelerate your growth. And here's how we make it happen. I offer an exclusive in-person coaching program where we'll work closely together to skyrocket your success with women. We'll hit the streets together, approaching women in real time. I'll be right there with you, providing instant feedback and guidance and helping you express your authentic self and make rapid progress towards your dream relationship. You'll get comprehensive training on all aspects of meeting and attracting women, personalized feedback on your approaches, and ongoing support to ensure your long-term success. I've designed this program to turn your dating life around 180 degrees. This coaching program isn't just theory. It's been battle-tested and proven. One of my clients found his dream girlfriend and got married after a divorce. Another overcame his limiting beliefs and past trauma to find abundance in dating. And yet another conquered his fears with women and social anxiety, creating his dream relationship and building a thriving international community. The system works because it teaches you to do something that no one else is willing to do. It's like finding a glitch in the dating world and really capitalizing on it. Remember, this isn't just about getting dates. It's about becoming the kind of man who naturally attracts his dream women on his own terms, anytime, anywhere. The kind of man you've always dreamed of becoming. Now, you have a choice to make. You can continue doing what you've always done, swiping endlessly on apps, wasting money on clubs, and hoping that somehow, magically, your dream woman will appear. Or you can take action today. You can choose to invest in yourself to become the kind of man who can confidently approach and connect with beautiful women anywhere. Imagine a year from now, you can be in the exact same place you are today, frustrated, lonely, wondering why you can't seem to find the right women. Or you could be living your dream dating life with the skills and confidence to attract amazing women wherever you go. The choice is yours. But remember, every day you wait is another day of missed opportunities. So if you're ready to transform your dating life and invest in your success, here's what to do next. Click the link below to schedule a free 15-minute consultation call with me. There's a limited number of spots available and they fill up fast, so act fast. Keep calm and vibe on.